everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Yati. I hope you all are doing well and learning English every day. So I am Yati, as you all know, and here I upload videos every day to improve my fluency. And it's day 17 of my English learning journey, and in this video I'm going to talk about my opinion, means what I have observed around me. It is not about like I'm going to talk about nature, means I'm not going to talk about this means trees or whether something else. I'm going to talk about what I have observed around me, means how people think, what is the value of education here. It is the main point that I have observed, and here I will talk about it. As we all know that atmosphere plays very important role in our life. Yeah, I should say like atmosphere shapes human being. Atmosphere is very important in everyone's life. And second, if I talk about attitude, so attitude, there are two kind of attitudes, like negative and positive. If you think positive, so positive things start happening. If you think negative, so negative things start happening. So this also matters a lot in everyone's life. But if I compare, so I think like atmosphere is more important than attitude. If you have toxic environment, if you have toxic atmosphere, you will be unable to live. You will feel very frustrated, you will feel very stressed. So that is why atmosphere is very important role in everyone's life. For example, if you have to study, so you must have good environment where you can study properly, where you can study peaceful. So that is why atmosphere is very important. And as we all know that when child take birth, he or she should he or she must have good environment, because that is the only place where he or she lives all the time. Means it's all about atmosphere, and then person becomes while seeing everything around him or her, right? So that is why atmosphere is very important. And here in this village around me, what I have observed, lack of education, like there is no value of education. Yeah, here education has no any value. Means here if people will study, if anyone will study, so it is not because they want to study, it is because they want to call educated person, not because they want to gain knowledge and not because they are interested in study. No, they are studying because they want to be called educated person. And yeah, education matters a lot. Means education is something that is very precious in everyone's life. Here what is something like, if people doesn't want to study, if someone doesn't want to study, don't study, doesn't matter. If you are earning more than educated person, if you have no mind, means if you take wrong decisions, if you do wrong things, if you don't take care of your nature, doesn't matter. If you earn money, that's okay. If you earn money more than educated person, then you are the only person who is doing great in life, who is doing great with nature, who is doing great with nation. Yeah, it is the attitude, it is the thinking, it is the thinking of our society. And here what I have observed, I am telling you my own opinion. And here education has no value. Yeah, so nowadays it is because of distraction, like it is because of social media. Yeah, people thinks like if you have another option to earn money, do not study. If you have studied years, 10 years, that is okay. If you earn money, that's more important thing. And if you are doing this, that is the greatest thing that you are doing. Yeah, it is considered here. Education has no value here. So this is the main point that I have observed here, and it must not be like this. Education should give priority in our society, and education is important for everyone, even he or she doesn't want to study. Means if someone knows the value of education, he or she will be interested in this, he or she will be want to be study. And it is related to actually money. That is why people don't want to study, that is why people are not interested in this. And because of social media, because of distraction. Yeah, uh, because of distraction, disturbance, and so many things makes our education unimportant. It is considered as it has no value. and it must be not like this in anyone's surrounding. Yeah, but here it is like this, and that I have observed, and it affected me a lot. Like, what is the thinking of people about education? Yes, I have listened, like, there was a girl, she was saying, who doesn't study, that person is more understandable person. Yeah, she was saying like this, and I really surprised by listening this thing. I didn't say anything, but yeah. So here I wanted to just share what is the thinking of people here, what is the thinking of society here and here. And so okay, I just spoke, and it's my own opinion. And here, as you can see, I'm setting, and because it's afternoon, that is why. And so I want to make videos every day, so I just want to continue on my journey. That is why I practice of my speaking English every day. And I hope you learn something. Maybe you learn something interesting from this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep practicing English every day.